खुश हो जाते हो स्पीकिंग के नाम तो. So,
Good evening, sir.
very good evening to all, my dear. Whatever you are for me, but you are very important for me. In fact, I think you are my laboratory where I perform my experiments, and it is a good thing that when I initiate any experience, I become successful. So, because of you and me also, you know, we have a lot of problems in our country, not only in our country, but anywhere else means in any country, in other countries also we have a lot of problems. सुनो, फोकस करो जरा सुनने पे. And some of those problems are poverty, indiscipline, terrorism, rash driving, accidents, crimes. There are so many problems, and I think you know well about them, and if not about all, but about some problems you know very well. And you know, our world is suffering too much from pollution. So I want to ask you that according to you, how can we get rid? नए नए वर्ड्स कुछ आए तो लाने पड़ेंगे मेरे को आपके लिए. हाउ कैन वी गेट रिड? लिख लो, आप लिखना चाहो तो. गेट रिड, गेट अलग है और रिड अलग है. लिख लोगे, फोकस करोगे साउंड पे तो. गेट रिड, गेट रिड मीन्स छुटकारा पाना. हाउ कैन वी गेट रिड ऑफ पॉल्यूशन? What should we do, or what should all the people do according to you to solve this problem? You know very well what is pollution, what types of pollutions are there, and how can we check it? Check का मतलब रोकना भी होता है, check का मतलब जांचना भी होता है, check का मतलब रोकना भी होता है. Spelling is the same, CHECK. How can we check, how can we control the problem of pollution? Okay, you will express your own ways, but if you listen to others, you can also get different ideas. So at the time of your speaking, you can use them in your own way. Okay, so I think listening is very important thing. So you are ready? I think so for it. That is very common topic. And if you have any confusion, you must listen to others first, and then when you think, when it seems to you, आ गया देखो seems यहाँ पर. When it seems to you that now you have ideas, you have points to describe today's topic, you can write your name down in the message box. Clear? Oh, very good. Very good. So many names I have got one by one without any agitation, without any fear. Okay. So this is a good thing that who is this person? Gaurav Kumar Mimrot Meena. Mimrot Meena. Mimrot. This is your name.
सर फुल अगर साउंड लगा दो तो.
Okay. You will make us confused. by giving your full name. Okay, so let us start today's session. And first of all, I am calling Gaurav.
Uh, hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here. My today's topic is how to stop pollution and what we can do to stop it. So, you know that pollution is a very big problem for all of for all the world and the global population, and for the Indian population, because the 20% of the global population lives in India, and 40% combined China and India.
Okay.
And these are the most populated, second most or the most populated countries in the world, you know.
Mm.
And also the Japan means Tokyo is the most populated city, and also Indonesia is quite populated, and many other examples in the southern and eastern Asia.
Mm.
So, as you know, that technology is growing, and you can see that how far the technology has gone. That we have gotten cars, trucks, buses,
Mm.
and many other vehicles, and also firecrackers and all. And firecrackers are, well, at time of the Chinese Empire, they were started from Chinese Empire, but it's not the topic.
Mm.
I will not get into
Mm.
firecrackers, and also many other things, etc., etc.
Mm.
So, first of all, the most blamed pollution maker, car vehicles.
Mm.
Everybody blame vehicles for the most pollution, and also you know that factories and industries and manufacturer companies are also blamed for the pollution for water, soil, and air.
Mm.
We know that vehicles can create air pollution, and industries and manufacturing companies can make the three of the pollution, three types of the pollution
Mm.
of soil, air, and water.
Mm.
And in water, they can pollute by
They
throwing the
can
waste
be
of
polluted.
castle.
क्या बोला? अच्छा बोलो, आगे बोलो, शायद मैंने कुछ गलत सुन लिया. बोलो बोलो, आप बोलो.
Uh, so Yes. So they pollute water by throwing or putting the waste from pipelines to the local canals and to rivers, and then the plastic and the waste acids,
Mm.
many basic substances to the ocean, and they can harm our marine life. And air pollution, nuclear reactors or the nuclear energy nuclear power plants create I think so 20% of the air pollution, because you know that these plants are so powerful and also create and can also create a disaster for a whole continent
Mm.
and make it uninhabitable, so you can uninhabit uninhabitable. And also you can understand that how much of tons of carbon dioxide and uh, other greenhouse gases could be released in these factories as normal. But if there is a disaster, radioactive radioactive materials like uranium and its types will get out, so it can pollute our air and also pollute our lungs.
Mm.
And like you can remember the Bhopal disaster, it polluted the air of Bhopal and killed many people because of suffocations. And now focusing on the vehicles, you know that vehicles of 2010 to 2020 were not electric, but were controlled or fueled by diesel and petrol.
Mm.
So polluted the air by releasing carbon dioxide in the air.
Mm.
If you are think well, we will take the topic aside. I'm giving a fact. We all think that the carbon emissions are observed by the trees, but it's not. The 90% of the carbon emissions are observed by the oceans. Oceans observe the carbon dioxide, and we are thinking and we are giving credit to the trees. Well, we cannot plant oceans, but we can plant trees, so we should plant trees. And getting back to the topic, so we were on vehicles and how they pollute our air, but now and so we were at that cars emit carbon dioxide in the air. But now in the after 2020s, electric cars were developed like Tesla company developed electric cars, and also other companies adapted this process to make profit, and people bought it because it was on trend, and the manufacturers made it look so cool and classy that the customer bought it, and also it was a smart tactic to reduce carbon emissions. But we should also raise our voice against industries and manufacturing companies to stop carbon emissions. And and but we if we stop all the carbon emissions today, we cannot stop the global warming suddenly, because it will take another century to recover all the carbon from the earth, because we have spoiled too much raita on the earth. So now we have to wait for a century if we stop spoiling raita on earth. If we stop, so we should wait for or work for another century to clean the spoiled raita. So at last, I would like to say that we should raise our voice against industries and carbon emissions to prevent global warming, and also and also encourage people to buy more electric cars. And also for firecrackers, I will advise that we should that government should ban crackers for individual. Means in India, it's happened that everybody firecrackers individually. You know, instead of this, government should schedule an event where the government will show you a public show of firecrackers. So it will reduce the pollution created by crackers, and also it can save our environment also. And we should plant trees because we can't plant oceans. So bye everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Make your speaking so clear, more clear. The time you take is more what you express, and sometimes your expression is not clear to us. So now focus on the listening, how the other students express their views. Okay? Otherwise, you are speaking very nice. Keep it up. Yes, come on, Rakshit. अब listening पे focus करो थोड़ा सा और उसको practice में लाओ थोड़ा सा. Yes, come on, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling on the topic that is how can we decrease pollution, or what measures should we take to decrease pollution. So we all know that what is pollution. It is one of the biggest threat to our planet Earth, and we know that, and we also know what is the condition of pollution in a present time, in present era. Like we see that pollution is increasing day by day. There is no chance of decreasing it. And we know that, and also we know also pollution causes many harmful effects on us, on humans and all the living beings. And there are many causes of pollution, and is uh, al- almost every cause of pollution is being done by humans. We know that. We know this. Like we know that we have mostly there are three types of pollution: noise pollution, air pollution, and water pollution. And noise noise pollution is mainly caused by the sounds that are produced by humans, or uh, by the events of, सर ह्यूमन जो करते हैं उसको क्या बोलेंगे?
Whatever human beings do.
ओके सर, whatever human being does, like we know that eh, the number of vehicles is increasing day by day, and the noise that is caused by the vehicles, like of mainly the sound of horn, is increasing day by day. When you go in in any city that is crowded by vehicles, you will not.
When you go to any city, बोलो, आगे बोलो.
Okay. When you go to any city that is crowded by vehicles, you find yourself tired by hearing the sound of horns. Every time you see, you are hearing the sound of horns. And also water pollution is caused by humans. Like you know that when we throw any harmful thing in water, like mainly we see plastic is thrown in water by carelessly by people. So it causes the water pollution because it contaminates the water very much. And the pure minerals that present in water dies, and the water becomes contaminated. And you know that in India we call our rivers as ma, like Ganga ma. And so, but on the other hand, people throw garbages in the rivers.
Garbage,
So
garbage, uncountable noun है वो. हाँ.
yes, sir. People throw garbage in water. So this should not be done. And we know that the industrialization is increasing day by day, and we see that from the past, globalization as globalization increased, the industrialization also increased. Before, there were few industries which produced goods, but now we see that there are a lot of industries which produce goods. And and also there are factories. And so from industries and factories, we see that a lot of harmful gases is released. And so this pollutes our environment and the fresh air that is present in the environment. And we know that pollution is the combination of different types of gases, like ozone, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, etc. And we hear that acid rain in today's time. Mostly mostly there is the rain that is acid rain. And so what is it and how is it caused? And the reason behind the acid rain is pollution, because you know that sulfur dioxide that is present in the particles, or we can say pollutants of the pollution. And so when rain comes from the clouds, so the droplets get the sulfur dioxide gas and makes the acid rain. So if we want to decrease the acid rain, we should have to decrease pollution. So all the problems that are related to environment are interconnected. If we want to decrease one if we want to get rid of one problem, we should have to reduce the other. And uh, and uh, so uh, so the most and so there are many ways by which we can decrease the pollution. And one of the biggest and useful way is planting trees more and more, as much as we can. And and also by and also by uh, also by taking some.
कम से कम टाइम लो सॉल्यूशन बताने में, बहुत ज्यादा टाइम मत लो आप.
Yes sir.
हाँ, ये
And
आधा घंटे कम से कम टाइम में आप सॉल्यूशन बताओ फटाफट से.
yes sir, and also by taking some precautions, like not throwing garbage not throwing garbage in the rivers or in any water bodies. And also decreasing decreasing the noise created by different things like vehicles, loudspeakers, DJs, etc. And also by decreasing industrialization, etc. precautions we can take. So sir, that's it.
2 मिनट से ज्यादा नहीं लगनी चाहिए आपको सॉल्यूशन बताने में. पूरी रामायण थोड़ी बोलनी है आपको. 2 मिनट ज्यादा नहीं लगनी चाहिए, इतना फास्ट होना चाहिए आपको. आप 10-10 मिनट में सॉल्यूशन बताओगे तो सुनेगा कौन आपको? हाँ, सॉल्यूशन बताना है केवल आपको, ज्यादा रामायण नहीं बतानी है आपको, पूरी साइंटिफिक नॉलेज नहीं देनी है आपको. ऐसे सिंपल शब्दों में सॉल्यूशन बताओ जो सबको समझ में आ जाए. आप साइंटिफिक फैक्ट बताते रहोगे, दुनिया भर के केमिकल्स के नाम लोगे तो who will listen to you? Take 2 or 3 minutes, not more than 2 or 3 minutes to tell the solutions. क्लियर हो गई बात आपको? पूरी रामायण नहीं गानी है अपने को, यही तो करवाना है हमको, और करवाना ही क्या है आपको. ओके, ध्यान रखो आप इस चीज को, सारे के सारे. पूरी रामायण नहीं बोलनी है, कम से कम शब्दों में अपनी बात क्लियर करो, आप समझाओ आप. ये है मेन खेल. आप किसी मीटिंग में बैठे हुए हो तो कोई 15 मिनट थोड़ी सुनेगा आपको. 15 मिनट अगर सबको दिए गए बोलने के लिए तो एक जना ही थोड़ी बोलेगा 15 मिनट में. कम से कम शब्दों में ज्यादा से ज्यादा बात कहो आप, कम से कम टाइम में. रोहित.
Yes, hello, good evening everyone. My name is Rohit and today I am going to tell you about pollution and what are the ways by which we can reduce the pollution. So as we all know that pollution is caused on a large amount in well. There are many ways by which pollution gets caused, and there are many types of pollution like water pollution, noise pollution, air pollution, and etc. So first of all, I will explain them one by one, and then in a last solution. So as we know that air pollution is caused when a lot of pollutants accumulate in the air, and we face difficulties in proper breathing, and that can cause many diseases. And noise pollution is caused by vehicles and many factories, aeroplanes. These types of machines generate a lot of noise pollution that is harmful for our ears. That is why it is advisable to have house in peace places and not in places near to any airport, main road, etc. And another one is water pollution. Water pollution is generated when people throw, or factories throw garbage in the rivers and in oceans and other water bodies. So that's why our people say that we should not throw garbage in rivers, because by which the water can get contaminated, and the people can face difficulties while using that water. So as we know that these are harmful effects of pollution, and pollution is happening in a large quantity in nowadays world because of industrialization and urbanization and growing culture of the people to follow trends for continuing the demands of the people. A lot of and products are being produced by the factories, in which for producing that a lot of pollution is done, and that's why there is an increase in the rate of pollution. And there are many reasons, there are many ways by which we can reduce the pollution. Like so first of all, the main reason that everyone tells is that by growing up trees we can reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the environment, as trees take carbon dioxide and reduce the number of it and gives us oxygen. And another is like using the resources that are not harmful for the environment, like plastic disposals. We use them one time and then throw them away, so that is harmful for environment. It causes land pollution. And we can also save energy also, because in energy production a lot of pollution takes place. So by saving energy we can reduce the pollution. And as you all know that nowadays people are not focusing on focusing on growing fields like crops. And in past time there were a lot of farms. That's why the most of the plants also play an important role in reducing the pollution. And we can see nowadays people are selling their lands for money, and that's why the pollution is increasing. That is one of the conservating measures. So that's it, sir.
क्या बात, बहुत फास्ट बोलते हो. Very good. Yes, come on, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harsh. Today, my topic is how we can save our earth from pollution. So, I will explain it in three ways. First, what is pollution, and what are the causes, and what are the consequences, and what is the how we can save our earth from pollution. So, first of all, what is pollution? Pollution is a human activity that is done by humans, which releases the gases and objects to our mother earth, and that are harmful for our earth. And they are caused by the factories waste, humans industries waste, and and by the human made things, like planes, cars, etc. And and the consequences of pollution are that they create water shortage, and the shortage of fresh air, the shortage of trees, deforestation occurs, and many more things occurs that causes many diseases that are not appropriate for humans, and for human consumption. And if we continues to do so, then our earth will become a barren land after 100 or 150 after 100 or some more years, because of all the fertility of the soil, or all the fresh air, and whole nutrients of the components, all good components of our air will vanish, and there will only be chemicals in our harmful chemicals in our surrounding that will not support human life. And at last we will focus that how we can save our earth from pollution. And we can save our earth from afforestation, because forest and trees plays a very vital role in cleaning our environment from pollution, and also from many other natural calamities that occurs, and causes damage to the earth. And we the humans can also take measures, like we can launch many projects, laws, and many other things to conserve energy resources and lands, and to reduce the pollution and overconsumption. That's it, sir.
Very good, शाबाश.
Sir,
हाँ,
sir, माइक बंद है आपका.
हाँ, हाँ बेटा, ठीक है बेटा, very good. Now, Harshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit More, and today I am going to put my views on the topic that how can we save our Mother Earth from the pollution. So, first of all, we must understand that what is a pollution. Pollution is basically a waste or dirty particles that are being thrown in our environment and making our environment just like as bad as it can be. So, we can see that there are many types of pollution that are caused by the human activities, such as water pollution, soil pollution, air pollution, and the most common of them is air pollution. That is mostly caused by the carbon dioxide in the environment. And for this, I would like to say that this is caused mostly by construction, mostly by factories, vehicles, and all these types of things. And we can see that we can make our mother earth safe from it by using or planting trees. So I heard the first speaker said that instead of individual, we should celebrate Diwali just like government will celebrate it, and we will enjoy it. So I would like to say that will government do all the works, and we would enjoy them, and we would not do all the works individually. Is it being caused only by Diwali? Then if it is, then why are there nuclear powers and all these things to cause all these types of things in our environment? So now I would like to move on the noise pollution that is basically caused by the horns, and most probably by the DJ sounds, and just like these sounds which are of much decibels. And we can cure ourselves from it by using less sound equipments, and and making our DJs run on a little sound. And now, at last, I would like to talk about water pollution that is mainly caused by the factories, which turn their dirty water into fresh rivers, which makes our environment polluted. And the fresh water then goes to villages, and this fresh water is being consumed by the villagers, and this may cause harmful effects. So, for this, we and the factories must take actions on it, and only the factories are mostly responsible for these things. So at last, it is our I would like to say that it is our mother earth, and it is our responsibility to save it. So we must try our best to save it and not to pollute it. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया. मीनू.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Myself Minu. Today I am telling you about how we overcome the pollution.
शाबाश.
Uh, India is the fifth position in pollution. Uh, Pollution. The common types of pollution are water, air, light, thermal power, plant, etc. Pollution is spread all over the world rapidly because
शाबाश.
we can't because we not handle the garbage and which are collected from hospitals. So it is duty of a youth that we should use the garbage bags and dustbins so that the surrounding environment not polluted that much. Being a youth, we should inspire people to not throw the garbage into the rivers and anywhere in the road, etc.
शाबाश शाबाश, घबरा मत, बोलो आराम से. हाँ.
In India, Delhi is the most polluted city because we all know that there are many vehicles and congested areas. So our government also launched some actions like abhiyans like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan,
शाबाश.
and we should not follow the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan because we also spread the garbage wastage anywhere. Even I also throw the waste in campus. So it's my duty, and it's our duty to keep it in the dustbin. And the most pollution comes from industry, approx 57%, and.
हम्म.
That's it, sir.
शाबाश, ऐसी कोशिश करो बस. 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% 57% थोड़ा सा लेवल बढ़ाना पड़ेगा ना बेटा। कॉमन से टॉपिक है, बस थोड़ा सा सुन करके थोड़ा सा बोलने की कोशिश करोगे बेटा, है ना? यस कबीर।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir Sahu. I'm the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes from batch P20. Today's my topic is how can we read from pollution?
हाउ कैन वी गेट रेड? हाँ।
How can we get rid from pollution?
हम्म।
As we all know that we live in a society and consists society consists pollution.
शाबाश।
And as we all know that we use vehicles and many other things which are electronical, so sometimes they produce different types of gases which is harmful for our environment, and we can also say that they make pollution. We all know that there are many factories, industries who waste who
You need which?
which 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 waste material go into rivers. So that's why our river is also polluting. So we give society give it a name which is water pollution, and we can see that there is 78% carbon dioxide in our environment, and it causes and it is the biggest cause of our pollution in air. It is many people become the patient of asthma. And we can see that it is so harmful for everyone, because that's why many people die by pollution and asthma. So if we want to get rid from it, we should do deforestation, by which plants grow and make oxygen. And we also we see that there are many people who सर बजाने को क्या कहते हैं? डीजे बजाते हैं।
प्ले
डीजे बजाने को
प्ले डीजे
who play DJ at high volume, and that's why noise pollution is also causing in our environment, and people and some students and children cannot do study by it. So I request that we should not do it, and if we want to play DJ, we can play it below 9 p.m. because it is the rule of government. If we play music above 9 p.m, so police can arrest us and give us any punishment. Yes sir, that's it.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। विपिन।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Vipin Gorwal. Today my topic is how we can get rid pollution.
ऑफ पॉल्यूशन। हाँ।
There are many types of pollution like water pollution, air pollution, and land pollution. We get rid water pollution, so we should not do this, that we should not wash our clothes and aluminium in river, lake, and ponds, and we should not throw garbage, water, dirty things in river. We get rid air pollution, so we should not
वी शुड सब बंद कराना चाहिए, इसको क्या बोलेंगे
क्लोज
सर? ग्रोज
क्लोज
we should close we should close this that we should
stop we should stop it.
okay sir, we should stop it. We should stop smoke of factories and vehicles,
शाबाश बेटा
and we should not fire crackers, and land pollution. We get rid land pollution, so we should not do this, that we should not throw dirty polythene and garbage water in roads or land,
शाबाश
and we should we get rid noise pollution. So we should not do this. We should not do this, that we should not सर बजाने को क्या कहेंगे? प्ले. We should not play speaker, music system. That's it, sir.
ठीक है बेटा, ऐसे कोशिश करते रहो बेटा. वेरी गुड. यस नाउ आई थिंक अनुज नहीं कोमल.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Komal Bhaira, and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from Batch 11. And today, our topic is how we can get rid of pollution. And pollution is very harmful for us, and it is very bad for our earth, because there are different types of pollution, and we can inhale many things in the air and by our nature. So pollution
our
is very
nature.
bad. Okay, sir, from our nature, and pollution is not good for us, and pollution is the condition which made by people, because
Made by people.
okay, sir, which is made by people, and it is very harmful for animals, our nature, our us, etc. And we all know that it is negative for our earth, and it affects on our body, because we can take many things by our nature, and we all know that there are.
By our nature, नहीं, from our nature.
Okay, sir, from our nature, and there are different types of pollutions like air pollution, water pollution, soil and land pollution, noise pollution, etc., and many types of other pollutions. And all pollutions are very harmful for us, and air pollution is also harmful for us, because we can we inhale air, and if we inhale bad air, then our body is in our body there are many diseases are come, and it is not good for us. And water pollution is also not good, and it has many effects, like it has chemicals and many bad things, and people throw garbages in many rivers, and we all know that there are many big rivers, and we are called that rivers are like our mother, and like Ganga river, etc. and most of the people throw many things in the river, and it is not good for our rivers, and because it make our rivers dirty, and we all know that soil pollution is not good for us, and noise pollution is not also good for us, because noise pollution because of noise pollution, most of the people all people disturb in many things, like in study, in their focus, etc, and it affects on concentration, traffic, and environment also, and it and noise pollution make by people in with the many things like loudspeakers and loud horns, etc, and other pollutions are also increases in our earth, on our earth, but we should control on the all pollutions, and how we can control pollutions, like we can reduce many things, reduces, recycles, and reuse many things, like we can see that many in many countries polythenes are banned, and paper bags are uses in different countries, and it is very,
हम तो थोड़ा सा वर्क फॉर्म पे, हाँ बोलो.
and it is good for us, and we all know that we can see that in our India, cows are very cows are very cow in our India, polythenes are very bad for us, and our cows take in their mouths, so it is bad condition for cows, and we all know that we can control pollution by resources, like we should reuse water's energy, and and many types of pollution, and we should use disposals, and we recycle many things, and we all know that we should awareness with our environment, and we don't throw garbage here and there, and we should take rules, follow many rules, follow many rules for our
मैंने नहीं आता,
environment.
फॉलो रूल्स. मैंने का क्या मतलब है? फॉलो रूल्स बस.
Okay, sir,
बस
and
हाँ,
we should plant many more and more plants, and it is very good for our nature, and we should respect and give better things to nature. That's it, sir.
ओके ठीक है. यस नाउ अनुज.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anuj, and today the topic is pollution and how can we get rid of it. The pollution basically means the impure state of the environment or of the nature. It covers the impure state of air, water, and noise pollution. There are majorly these three types of pollution, and we live in the our country is one of the most populated countries.
कुछ नहीं बोलना है. पॉल्यूशन को कैसे कंट्रोल करना है, बस वहाँ फोकस आ जाओ आप. वाटर पॉल्यूशन को कैसे कंट्रोल करना है, नॉइस पॉल्यूशन को कैसे करना है, इस पे आ जाओ बस. आप तो 2-4 सॉल्यूशन बताओ और खत्म करो. नंबर उस चीज के मिलते हैं, बेटा बोलो. फोकस.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So there are majorly three types of pollution. So pollution is the cause of human activities like deforestation, transportation and industrialization, and it affects the humans and animals and ecosystem. So the vehicles make noise pollution and air pollution also. So from so to avoid air pollution, we can use electric vehicles instead of using fuel vehicles. And if it is about water pollution, so we should not throw garbage, and we should stop the people are throwing garbage in the rivers or in the lakes and in the water normally. And if it is about noise pollution, we should avoid unwanted DJ loud musics and stop those who does this. So this is how we can contribute in this. That's
वेरी गुड. बहुत सॉल्यूशन बोलने होते हैं, हम ज्यादा कुछ नहीं करना, बस सॉल्यूशन बताओ. वाटर पॉल्यूशन कैसे रोकेंगे, सॉइल पॉल्यूशन को कैसे रोकेंगे, और नॉइज पॉल्यूशन को कैसे रोकेंगे, बस इतनी सी बात होती है. ठीक है ना. बहुत ज्यादा उसमें नंबर नहीं मिलते अपने को, फोकस करो आप पॉइंट के ऊपर. ओके. अनु 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 इज नॉट एयर. सिमरन.
Yes, sir. Hey everyone, I'm Simran, and today I'm telling about how can we reduce pollution. As well, you know that there are many types of pollution like air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. First of all, I telling about how can we reduce air pollution, water pollution. So we should as well, you know that water is in on the drink on the earth. Drinking water is very large quantity on the earth, so we should save drinking water, and we should not डालने को क्या बोलते हैं सर? डालने को
क्या डालना? थ्रो. फेंकना नहीं चाहिए हमें.
we should not throw garbage and plastic in the river and any water sources, and we should grow more and more plants. And next I telling about air pollution. How can we reduce air pollution? We should use electric vehicles and cycle and public transports, and we should some students tell about firecrackers. We should firecrackers, but rather than large amount, because it is
बोलो. rather than नहीं, but not in large amount. बोलो बोलो. शाबाश बोलो.
but okay sir. And next, noise pollution. We should not use loudspeakers at uh, la- late night because
फोकस करके रखो, बस
some
सब हो जाएगा। फोकस करके रखो बेटा, और कुछ नहीं करना है। हाँ
okay, sir. Mm, uh, we should not use mm, mm, air. We should not use related to noise spread noise pollution because and especially late night because some students uh, uh, do some students doing a study and
ज्यादा डीप में मत जाओ,
that's
ज्यादा
it,
डीप
sir.
में मत जाओ, ज्यादा डीप में मत जाओ। आप सॉल्यूशन पे बताओ बस 5-7 सेंटेंस, लोगों ने क्या किया उस पर ज्यादा डीप में मत जाओ, फंस जाओगे। सिंपल सा
Okay,
बोलो
sir.
बस, ज्यादा डीप में मत जाओ। आप ज्यादा टिपिकल सेंटेंसेस यूज करोगे तो अटक जाओगे आप। अभी नहीं, बाद में करना, अभी बिल्कुल सिंपल सिंपल सा बोलो।
Okay, sir. That's it, sir.
हाँ कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा आज तुमने कल की तुलना में। कम बोलो लेकिन अच्छा बोलने की कोशिश करो। आज बहुत अच्छा बोला है, सुन लेना अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग, बहुत अच्छा तेरा परफॉर्मेंस है आज का। ओके लक्ष्मी,
Yes, sir.
बेटा शॉर्ट में,
My name.
हाँ शॉर्ट में
Yes.
बेटा, हाँ
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is how can we reduce pollution? And as you know that pollution is the biggest problem on in on planets and it destroy our earth. And as you know that there are many type of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. And when air pollution, when many gases are mixed in our environment, that is called air pollution. And reducing reducing it, we should plant more and more, and
शाबाश,
and
मोर एंड
we
मोर
should
ट्रीज। हाँ बोल बोल बोल, हाँ
yes sir. And we should use electronics vehicle for reducing it.
इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स, हाँ
And we should use less vehicle because nowadays pollution is increasing day by day. And government should make strict rule and regulation for reducing air pollution. And what and you know that water pollution is the biggest problem for pollution. And when we throw garbage and rubbish thing into the river, that is called water pollution. And stopping water pollution is in our hand. We should not throw plastic things and other materials to rivers. And we should clean rivers side. And सर कई जनों को काम पे लगाना चाहिए, मतलब
गवर्नमेंट शुड एम्प्लॉय मैनी पीपल।
yes sir, government should employ many people beside the rivers and other areas. And noise pollution is increasing day by day by using loudspeakers at late night. And many due to
industrial area, there is much noise pollution because of many big machines, and government should locate industries from away from populated areas,
Very good. Very good.
and 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 when we locate industrial area, भी आसपास को क्या बोलेंगे सर?
सराउंड भी हो सकता है, आप पूरा सेंटेंस बोला करो.
Yes, sir. When we locate surround us industrial area, it is harmful for human beings, and many diseases are increased, and government should enforce strict rule and regulation for industrial areas. And at last, we should use electronic vehicles. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश. काजल.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Meena. Today, my topic is how can we check pollution. So first of all, as we all know that pollution is very biggest problem of our earth, and we can see that pollution is the result of human activities, and it is and there are so many causes of pollution, like industrialization and deforestation is the causes of are the causes of pollution. And as we all know that there are three types of pollutions. First, air pollution, second is noise pollution, and third is water pollution. So first of all, I am telling about air pollution and how can we reduce it. So there are we should not use we should not and we should grow many plants, and we
मैंने
should
मतलब प्लांट्स बस काफी है.
okay sir,
हाँ.
we should grow more and more plants,
हाँ, ये ठीक
and
है.
and we should not release harmful gases, which is causes of air pollution, and we should not use so many vehicles, because fuel is also a cause of air pollution.
शाबाश. हाँ.
Polluted or air, and it is harmful. And second, I'm telling about water pollution. So we should not throw garbage in the rivers, and we should not by during industrialization we should not release harmful acids in the rivers and lakes also. And we should not pollute our water, and we should not throw plastic and many other things and many wastage in the rivers, and many and in lakes. And third, I'm telling about noise pollution. So as we all know that vehicles are also causes of noise pollution, and we should not use we should not use more vehicles, and we should use public transports, and we should not we should not play music in the at the high in the loudest and and many and by vehicles horn by play horn and noise pollution also created, and we should prevent noise pollution. And so there are some points which is I tell you that by which we can prevent the pollution, and we should follow government's rules which is made by government, and that's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा, बिल्कुल मत कंफ्यूज हुआ करो, बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो, वेरी गुड। हाँ, यस, खुशी।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Kushi Gujar. I am telling about many types of pollution. I am telling about air pollution. Many gases are mixed in the environment, that is called air pollution. So it is major reason of air pollution through vehicles and factories, etc. So we should use fuel in a limited, and
इन लिमिट, इन
we
लिमिटेड
should
कैसे हो जाएगा? इन लिमिट,
in limit, एक लिमिट तक। ओके सर। we should use electronic vehicles more and more, and we should grow plants like neem, tulsi, and money plants, etc. And we should not burning garbage, wood, and rubbish, plastics, etc. And I am telling about water pollution. Many types of garbage like plastics and plastics in plastics or other garbage are throw in the river, that is called, yes sir, yes sir, thrown in the river, ocean, etc. That is called water pollution. So we should not throw garbage, rubbish in the river, and we should save water, rainwater. We should save rainwater more and more, and we should use water in limit. And I'm telling about noise pollution. As you know that Jaipur As you know that noise pollution is increasing in the Jaipur day by day. So we should not use speaker loudly and
फोकस करो हाँ
yes sir. We should use earphone and earbuds etc. Not more but in a limit. And our government is सर चलाने को क्या बोलेंगे
क्या चलाना
अभियान
रनिंग
yes sir our government is running many types of abhiyan all pollution for all pollution and they are balance all pollution. That's it sir.
ठीक है थोड़ा सा आजकल डलनेस आ रही है तुम्हारे अंदर क्या बात है फोकस की कहीं कमी है या क्या बात है ठीक करो बेटा इसको ना
Yes sir.
आदित्य
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya and I am the student of Ramban online interactive classes from B20. Today's our topic is how to receive pollution. So as you all know that there are so many types of pollution, air pollution, noise pollution and water pollution. First we discuss about air pollution. Air pollution is very bad pollution because now time so many factories and all workers work that in their factories and they factories make air black smoke and they cold and they mixed in air and this is very harmful for our for our body because when we take oxygen they that air that air come in our body and we feel very bad and this is the reason of what air pollution how we stop this pollution first we don't use
should not
vehicle
don't नहीं should not आना चाहिए
yeah we should not use more vehicles only use electronic things because they don't make pollution and that is very nice thing for our environment and our culture and now we talk about water pollution is very harmful for the water because the plastic bottles and bags we throw in the sea and only uh, only uh, only these small things pollute our ocean and other things because and so many officers clean oceans so this is very nice thing but we don't this is our duty but we should not throw plastic things in ocean and other thing we always recycle that things and last I say about noise pollution there are so many DJs and speakers they make noise pollution we play a song very high high volume, and our neighbors says please down, low your volume, because we it is very disturbance thing. And at last I want to say that never make any pollution of these pollution. Yes, that's it.
ओके वेरी गुड। थोड़ा सा और क्लियर करो बेटा अपनी स्पीकिंग है ना, थॉट्स को थोड़ा सा और फोकस करो। रिकॉर्डिंग सुनोगे तो पता चल जाएगा आपको भी क्या क्या चीज अपन अपने को नहीं बोलनी चाहिए थी जो अपन ने बोली है ना। यस वैष्णवी।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi, and I'm the student of the Ramban online interactive classes from B18. And today I am telling about how can we reduce the pollution. First of all, the meaning of the pollution. Uh, Pollution can lead to health problems of humans, animals, and damage our ecosystem, and it also affects in a human's life. And I'm telling about the three types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. Air pollution, you can see that some people fire crackers so much, and the pollution increases so much, and and so government should make the strict rules to reduce the air pollution. And you can see in Delhi there is a lot of pollution in it. And I'm telling about the water pollution. Some people throw the garbages in the rivers, lake, ocean, and you can see that in India there are many rivers: Ganga, Saraswati, Yamuna, and uh, the Ganga river is so much polluted, and because people throw the ashes in the Ganga river,
शाबाश। हाँ।
and so that's why the Ganga river is polluted so much. And the chemicals and pesticides also uses in the factory, so the chemical and fertilizers are come from the factory, and uh, they threw out in the rivers. So that's why the especially the ocean water animals also affected, and they face lots of problems. And now I'm telling about the noise pollution. um, you can see that some people play the music at very high volume, and students disturbed so much during their examination times,
are disturbed बस।
are disturbed in their examination time. So we should play the music at a very medium volume, not a high volume. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश। आई थिंक ऑल हैव टेकन देयर टर्न। वेरी गुड, थैंक यू वेरी मच।